Ghetto youth, ghetto youths and youths, to all of my dancehall fans them, all Jamaican, I want to listen to this scene. You see, when you take a different approach at life, when you start focus on families and the real ones around you, people them start them bullshit and them start attack you from every angle. But here where them a use and attack you, them a use your past and attack you. But hear me I say, me just want every youth and youth know say yo, wanna stand firm. You understand me I say, no make nobody drown out. You understand me I say? Everybody have a past. Everybody have skeleton in them closet. You understand me I say? Me not come tell nobody. Me not come tell nobody say me perfect. You understand me I say? But one thing me know for sure, when you take a different approach at life and when you start view life from a different perspective, people go on like say yo, them want to use your past to define your future. You understand me I say? But get to you, me just want to stood firm. You understand me I say? Believe in a God, love on a family, love on yourself, cherish life. No matter what nobody I say, you don't pay them no mind. You understand me I say? Because when them have nothing to say about you, them go dig up your past and start use your past against you. You understand me I say? But me just want you to know this. Everybody have a past. Don't make your past determine your present or your future. You understand me I say? On the focus. That's all me I tell you to get to youth. On the focus. You understand me I say? The sky is the limit. And we have grown. You understand me I say? Them say who know better, do better. I'm just saying this to say that Vybz Kartel not perfect. Nobody who say dancehall not perfect. You understand me I say? As a matter of fact, no human being on the face of this earth is perfect. The only perfect person to walk this earth was the Son of God, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. You understand me I say? I want to big up Vybz Kartel, you understand me I say? Because you go to 13 year brother and you come out and they say you come out a changed person and you prove it. Hear me as a Vybz Kartel, no matter what them want to say about your brother. No pay none of them no mind. Go and live your life, youth. Go and love your family. Go and make your money. You understand me I say? Don't make nobody make you look back at your past. Don't make nobody make you regret your past. Because if your past shape you in the person you are today, brother. You understand me I say? Your past is what make you who you are today. You understand me I say? Go and stay focused, youth. Don't make nothing dry you out. Not respond to none of them pussy the way out there say things about you. Not one of them, because them are just empty barrel. You hear me I say, world boss? Do not pay them no mind. You understand me I say? Because guess what? Them out there, I worry about you and not sleep at night time while you I try to find a new way to go make more millions. You understand me I say? Stay focused, world boss. As me say, don't make your past determine your present or your future, brethren. Allow them, make them go and do what them do. You understand me I say? No man is an island. Another thing we want to say, you be careful of how you wish for people, youth. You be careful how you wish for people. I remember when Vybz Kartel did their jail, you know. Vybz Kartel producer, Miller 9. I vividly remember him a Guaaan like say boy, prison didn't make the cartel alone. With him there now, life in prison without the possibility of parole. Miller 9, Kartel the road now. Youth and youth, you know be careful. You know be careful. And that me I tell you now. The war thing now go know a youth. A different era we are living in right now. Different era this. Loud the dancehall madness. Wanna do some happy song, make on the money, and live some clean and good life, youth and youth. And that me I make on know. Big up yourself one more time, Vybz Kartel. No answer them, no pay none of them no mind. I'm out.